looking good. Katrina, can you show us your egg? Awesome. Wow. Beautiful. Purple. That's a very purple.
I don't have any like colors, but like I have really many markers, so yeah.
Yeah, coloring. Rokas, can you show us yours, please?
Oh, it's funny. Great.
Look at that. I'm showing them to everyone now. Wow.
Oh,
It
what
up.
is it?
That's so beautiful.
Oh, Taisha, it's beautiful. Ah, are they all boiled or chocolate, Taisha?
No, it's not chocolate.
Wow, it's real.
Amazing.
Tu as fait toi-même? Tu as fait toute seule? C'est des œufs bouillis? Bouillis?
Mais ma mère, elle a pris. Oui. Noir, mais c'était dans les colorants, alors c'est pas très bien.
Natural.
Red egg.
They're small eggs, right? Small eggs.
Yeah, it's not like.
Oh, it's awesome. It has a nice little star. And Rokas
Wait a minute.
and Katrina.
Voila.
This is really shiny, no doubt about it. And here we have Yeva. Yeva, can you show us yours, please? Nice. See how much good work happened here today. Awesome.